what we're going to do is we're going to get in here, and I'm not sure what tools I'm going to need. I just grabbed the whole arsenal of tools. We're going to see if we can get this thing apart. Figure it would be something I didn't get. Well, maybe that'll work. Let's see. Oh, look at there. 10 millimeter or torque socket. Probably 10 millimeters more prevalent. Yeah, big long screws. See what's behind this. This is the first go at this, everybody. Yep, everything's gonna be torques. I may as well just go on and get my torques. I'll be right back. Everything on this car must be T30, so just about. Take this T30 out here. Yep, there you go. So we took 3 out so far. 2 here, 1 here. See if there's any. Sometimes there's screws behind these. Sometimes. Let's pop this off. Ah, there's one back there. It's either 7 or 8. I got both. It's a 7. No 7 millimeter. See if there's any more. I don't see any. Everything else is probably clips. Sometimes there's something behind here. No, we just pop that off. 2 clips. This thing may pop out. Pop right off. Look at that. Now let's see how this thing hooks. Same clip as the Chevy Cobalt for the most part. See right there? I had to push these little clips in on either side and slide this little ball out. Now, we've got a big plug right here. These plugs normally, you rock this piece down. Yep. Just like that. That's pretty smart design, all right? All right, now, we've got this. She's been apart before. She has been apart before. I didn't rip any of that. Look at all that that's been ripped. All that's been apart before. I didn't do any of that, guys. Okay, here's your 3 main bolts. I figured they would be 10. They are, but they've got a Torx on the inside of them too, but you should be able to just loosen them up. What else this thing's attached to? We normally have to take these things off too. Somebody's been in this thing before, Tracy.
They have?
The plastic was off.
Hey. Maybe this ain't the first time it broke.
It's possible. We got a little bolt right there that goes into the window. Lucky it stopped in a place that it's attached to. It should be unattached just now. Okay, we're gonna lay this. Okay, now that the window regulator should be for the most part free until we get the motor unplugged. That's right here. If y'all can see this or not. Unplugged.
How do you zoom in on this thing?
Yeah, I think she's been replaced on before. Okay. Let's open this up. That's that annoying popping sound. We're going to address that in another video. It's the blender actuator. The little gear strip out in it, and that's what happens. Okay. Looks like we're cooking with new screws. Let's see. This thing looks the same. So we're gonna go with it. Hopefully the customer will understand that it's nothing I really did to cause this thing to go to bad. It didn't give a lick of trouble before going to the bad. And I'm starting all these because you can hang it right in there. Or at least that one you can. This one up here you can. That one you can't. And I think that other one we might get in the bind. So with that being said, we got 3 bolts there. Alright. Yep, this looks right. Let's go in like this. Flip those back over. Brace it up. Okay. Yeah. Those two sit down in there. That one sits right up there, just like that. We'll put the third and final bolt in the motor. Put another bolt right there, just like that. We're going to tighten these up. Well, we'll tighten the motor up. Got put that back down in there and let it sit on that track there. So now it's in the track. We'll bring it right down, line it right up with those. Get these snugged up. Just like that. Sure she's locked in place. Now I'm going to tighten up on the regulator bolts. Okay, make sure this thing is over here, out of the way. She looks very nice. So I'm going to stick. I don't like this being all destroyed, but not a lot I can do about it. Other than leave it back up there. Not like that. Alright, I'll go back together with it. Here's the little clip that the that cable goes in. It should pop right back in, no problem. We're gonna hook up this roll that up just like that. See if I can hook up this just like that. Hang it right up in there, just like that. A couple little clips in the bottom. Yep, that's still working. We're going to put a little short screw up top. Really one of the easier ones I've done. We could do a test run on it before we finish putting all this stuff in. Put a little clip back in there. Let's do a test run on it. Perfect. Put these two screws back in now. And in. Alright, we're going to stick this back in here. We've got to put our 7mm back over here. All it is just like that. This little piece back in. Wipe the dirt off up from the floor. That's all there is to it. Alright guys, there you go. That's it. And just remember, until next time, if it's giving trouble, it's probably going to the bad. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I was pulling this car in the shop to work on it today. I always make a habit of rolling the window down in case I lock the keys in the car. Yeah, that was the last time this window would ever roll down with that regulator.